Hi guys, welcome back to this video tutorial on RESTful web services. In this video we will see how to get from the server an object whose ID value is sent to the server as a PathParam. First of all, let's create in the company repository class a method that return an object whose ID value is passed as argument. Okay, so public company get company by ID. Okay, we can copy and paste the code of this method here. Okay, this is the SQL statement to retrieve into database the object with the specified ID. Select star from app.company table where ID equal to the ID parameter here. And here we are creating the statement object of a JDBC API. Then we are executing here the query. If there is a row returned and assigned to the RESTful set, the values of each field of the row are assigned to each property of a object of class company. If there are no rows with this ID, the company object is assigned to null. Then RESTful set and the statement object are closed, and the company object is returned. Now let's create the method of the web service. Here this method called the get company by id method of the company repository class. If the returned object is not null, it returns the company object. Otherwise, it returns an empty object of class company. Let's add the get annotation, and then the specific path of this method. In this path, we will add also the value of the ID that the client application want to get. This is called PathParam. So JSON slash ID. This variable into the curly brackets is the param that we get from the client application. To map this value with the argument, the parameter of this method, we have to add here another notation that is PathParam. Here, as argument of PathParam, we are specifying the name of this parameter that the client application has to add here at the end of the URL that it used to call the web service. For example, if the client application wants to get the object with ID equal to 10, it has to put at the end of the URL the string JSON slash the number 10. Now the last annotation is produces. In this case we want to get in the object in JSON format. Okay, the web service is ready. Let's restart the application. Run on server. Let's come back to Postman to send the new requests. So here we have JSON slash the number or the ID value of the object that we want to get. For example, 3, city of Rome. We can delete this parameter in the header and send. Oh, that's something wrong. Let's see what happened here. And there's an error in the name of a field. So here, okay, this is name. Okay, let's start again. Okay, again. Okay, we get the object with ID equal to 3. Now let's try with an object that is not in the database, for example number 11. Okay, we have an empty object. Okay, that's all. In next video we will see how to send to the web service some parameters as a query param. Based on these query params, the web service will filter the list of objects to send back to the client application. Thank you very much for your attention.